a major metropolitan area. And if you look at every major metropolitan area in this country, with the exceptions of Wichita, Kansas, and Fresno, California, there's some type of fixed transit. And I see us as competing much more with Minneapolis, with Portland, with Denver, with Seattle, with Atlanta, than I do seeing us compete with Wichita, Kansas, or Fresno. So in order for us to continue to grow, I think it's important for us to have transportation that reflects the demands and the concerns of people. So it's not just this. This is part of a larger vision, and the vision includes having more vitality, economic vitality, with Northwestern Mutual, 2 buildings that it has built, with the arena and the public space, with BMO Harris and its new building, with the Hammes Company, with Bader Rudder, with the hundreds and thousands of apartments and condominiums that are now in the heart of the city. One of the things I hear most often is people who have not been to the downtown area or the heart of the city in a long time, and they are truly shocked at the economic vitality that's going on. I think people understand whether it's a streetcar. Well, it is certainly our goal to have the streetcar extended to the 5-star forum, and what we've learned in the past when we did the lakefront extension is it may take more than one request to the federal government for their involvement. That's what happened with the lakefront extension. So we're prepared to do that if necessary with the 5-star forum. But I think it's a question of when rather than if. At least that's my hope, that we will make sure that that occurs. In fact, we wanted to go north along Martin Luther King Jr. Drive as well. That's our intended goal.